Welcome to the latest edition of Obesity Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Gan Lee Pharmaceuticals reported significant progress across its metabolic disease portfolio. In the 26-week Super-3 Phase 3 study involving 596 adults with type 2 diabetes across 80 sites in China, once-weekly insulin lutein, also known as GZR4, achieved the primary endpoint and demonstrated superior HbA1c reduction compared with insulin glargine U100. The company also reported that efpeglenatide met primary endpoints in obesity studies, further advancing its metabolic pipeline. Competition in oral obesity therapies continues to intensify. Multiple pharmaceutical companies, including Novo Nordisk, Eli Lilly, Structure Therapeutics, Merck, AstraZeneca, Roche, Viking Therapeutics, and others are advancing oral obesity drug programs. Recent developments include UK approval of oral Wegovy and continued progress for Lilly's orforglipron and other oral GLP-1 candidates as companies race toward large-scale commercialization. InBody announced that its China business will support weight management centers in pharmacies and hospitals through a partnership with an unnamed global pharmaceutical company. The initiative integrates body composition analysis tools to track changes in fat mass and skeletal muscle among patients using GLP-1 therapies, supporting more structured obesity management programs. New public health data from South Korea showed adult obesity reached 34.4% in 2024. Rates exceeded 50% among men in their 30s and 40s, highlighting the growing burden of obesity and reinforcing the need for effective prevention and treatment strategies. Hanmi Pharmaceutical continues preparations for the potential launch of its weekly efpeglenatide autoinjector in South Korea. The company is targeting regulatory approval and launch in the fourth quarter of 2026. In a Phase 3 obesity study, efpeglenatide achieved an average weight reduction of 9.75% after 40 weeks of treatment. Novo Nordisk indicated that it expects to submit oral Wegovy for regulatory approval in China very soon. The move positions the company in a rapidly expanding obesity market and follows competitive activity from Eli Lilly, which has also advanced its oral obesity program in China. Hanmi Pharmaceuticals highlighted manufacturing readiness for efpeglenatide during an analyst visit to its Pyeongtaek bio plant. The company stated that the facility can produce up to 20 million pre-filled syringes annually, supporting future commercialization plans and broader supply capabilities. Novo Nordisk Korea outlined its strategy for expanding access across rare blood and endocrine diseases. The company highlighted therapies including Novo 7RT, Norditropin, and Sogria, while emphasizing ongoing efforts to strengthen evidence generation, reimbursement support, and patient access in South Korea. Stay ahead in obesity research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info